Well, there's something about the weather when we're out on our own. Something about the path that leads us forever home. We don't need a reason, just changing with the seasons, following the feeling in our souls. Now that you're with me, we're chasing daylight and we're soulfully alive. Well, I can't believe the world's still turning, 'cause we're hopelessly alive. You mean the sunrise.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really do appreciate you all, my new viewers and my return subscribers. You all are amazing. Thank you. So my darlings, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how we spent our weekend, which is Saturday and Sunday. As you can see, it's a beautiful sunny morning and I will be starting this vlog with unboxing. Yes, our zaddy sent us a package. As you can see, it's Amazon that delivered this package. So please relax and enjoy watching this video to the very end, okay? It's an interesting one, I promise you. And while you watch, please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, as it goes a long way in encouraging me and also it helps my channel grow. And to my new viewers, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and subscribe, join the family, okay? Now please enjoy watching the rest part of this lovely vlog. Lovely. So oh wow, that's nice. This is English letter Bella for you, for tracing, grape, about fruit, animals. Wow, you guys are gonna be busy this summer. This is number 1 to 100 for Arabella. You copy, you guys can go. You copy. Yeah, come.
Pink, blue, and pink.
So this is 1, 2, 3. Arabella, sit down. So
This is the it's a tab.
this is the tab.
Door show. Our tab.
Look at the picture. Oh my god! Wow, look at that! It was beautiful. Okay, so let's open this one. I know. I think wait, stop making me talking like this. So ready? Set, go. This one has a lot of cover.
Mommy, oh, you see?
Yeah. So sorry, my baby.
My tab. Oh, right.
This is fun, bro.
Hey, only Amazon came.
It arrived? You guys got a tablet?
So, Arabella, how do you feel? You're happy? So you can fold it like this, okay?
I can even put
So you can fold it like this.
and
can stand it like this?
up and down.
Okay.
Up
Salima, how do you feel?
I feel happy.
So guys, the next day was Sunday and the weather was a bit funny. I mean, it was literally drizzling. It was drizzling, and this is the first rain that, should I call it rain? This is actually the first downpour we saw in the month of August. Okay, so but later in the day it became a bit sunny, and then we decided to go out to have should I call it breakfast? That was brunch. Hi guys. We're on our way to go have breakfast in IHOP. You guys, I wasn't sure of where we were going to end up in, so I had to cut that part out. Okay, so yeah, this is where we ended up going to. We went to IHOP to enjoy breakfast. Okay, so please, my darlings, keep watching.
So comfortable, and no one seems to hold me like you do. You're so wonderful, a star could never shine as bright as you. Shine as bright as you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you. It's not logical, the way I feel when you walk in the room. When you walk in the room, it's not optional. How gravity just pulls me right to you. To you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you. Spent my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby.
Salima, come.
Woo, over there. Sorry.
Girls, did you guys enjoy your breakfast?
Breakfast at 1.
Exactly. Ada, you're bad. Okay, so we're going home. HEB. So we're going home, and tomorrow we'll be going to water park. I mean, it's summer. We need to cool off. So guys, check out the next clip.
Well, there's something about the weather when we're out on our own. Something about the path that leads us forever home. We don't need a reason, just changing with the seasons, following the feeling in our souls. Now that you're with me, we're chasing daylight and we're soulfully alive. Well, I can't believe the world's still turning, 'cause we're hopelessly alive. You mean the sunrise.
Let's go have some fun.
We're still miles away from the end of the day, and the wind walks by our side. We'll fly fly through the rivers and we'll swim through the sky. Nothing can bring us down when it's you and I. Now that you're with me, we're chasing daylight and we're soulfully alive. And I can't believe the world's still turning and we're hopelessly alive. You, me, and the sunrise. You, me, and the sunrise. And oh, this golden road leads us on forever home. Now that you're with me, we're chasing daylight and we're so fully alive. Into the sunrise, letting it all go. 'Cause when you're with me, we're chasing daylight, we're so fully alive. Oh, I can't believe the world's still turning and we're hopelessly alive. You, me, and the sunrise. You, me, and the sunrise.
So guys, after so much fun, so much swimming, you guys, actually enjoyed myself for my kids. Okay, I got into the water with them. Okay, but I'm not showing much of myself. Okay, so at this point, my girls, they said they want to go on the slide. You guys, I really wanted to see them go on the slide, but then again, when we got to the point where they are meant to, you know, go on the floater, they had different types of slides. Okay, but man, by the time we got here and I saw how it works, my chest could not just take it. Make you know, be say we come for vacation and we no go back Niger complete. If you're a Nigerian, I'm sure you understand that pidgin I spoke there. My dear, this is where they are meant to, you know, come out. The height of this slide is high. I mean, it's really high, and mama, my chest can't take it. My kids, they cried and cried because they really wanted to go on it, but whew, I can't go on it, so therefore they can't go on it because you have to go with an adult. Okay, obviously my first girl was not happy with me. My first daughter was not happy at all, but then again, it is what it is. So my darlings, this was 6 p.m. and by 6 p.m. the park closes. As you can see, nobody is on the water again. Everywhere is calm now. Everyone is leaving. And yeah, that's it, my darlings. At this point, everybody was leaving the park. We had fun. I myself, I had fun to the point that I got exhausted. Thank you so much, my darlings, for watching. If you watched to this point, God bless you, and I hope you watch the ads too. Very important. Again, my darlings, please check if you've liked this video. If you've not, kindly give it a big thumbs up before you go. And to my new viewers, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and join Becky the Mommy's YouTube family. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.